Hey, Dustin's back. I'm now relaxed. We've been working together for a while now, so I'm going to do a little dance. I'm just playing. So I'm I'm just talking about what happens when we're on this journey, right? And fat loss is our goal. We're really wanting to lose this weight and get to where we want to be, and we got to get that fat off our body, and we want to live there permanently. But life happens, right? Or I want to go on a date with my wife, or I want to go on a date with my husband, or Christmas parties around the corner, or holidays, or a birthday party, and you're like, well, I can't eat any of those foods. Well, I'm going to give you a really cool hack to help you be able to maybe enjoy some of those finer things and still maintain your journey. Now, everybody's going to be a little different here, so I want you to really reflect within. If your journey's long and you have a lot of body fat to lose, be careful. You're probably not going to want to have too many of these days in a row, but enjoy this journey, and I'm going to give you a simple hack of how to maintain your goals towards fat loss but still have fun in your life. No matter what it is, if it's a date, if it's a holiday, if it's a celebration, if it's travel, vacation, or you just need a break. All right, what I want you to do is on the day that you're going to go out, let's just use this as an example. You're going to have dinner with your spouse or your partner. All right, you're going to have dinner. And what I want you to do is before you have dinner, before you go out, you eat really well in the morning. You have your Keto nat in the morning, right? Maybe a Mitoplex in there. You have your nice low carb lunch in the afternoon, and then for lunch, and then in the afternoon you're like, okay, I'm getting ready for dinner. We're going to get on the date. We're going to get going. I want you to have a full pack of Keto nat. I want you to have a full pack of Keto nat right before you walk out the door. So you want to have 2 that day. All right, and when you go out, when I want you to do something really simple, I want you to have fun. I want you to enjoy it. Now, when you eat, when you make your meals, pick whatever you would want to eat. Pick whatever you want to eat. If you feel like if you have a choice and you're like, I like these 2 options and one's lower carb, choose the lower carb option, of course. But if not, have a little bit. And just listen to your body through that journey. Please do not try to binge eat all the French fries or whatever it is your dessert is that you really, really love, but just enjoy it. Have a few bites. Do not feel guilty. You are protected. The Keto Nat's going to protect you from you falling into this tailspin because I have a little secret we're going to do the next day. And enjoy it. Celebrate. Have a glass of wine or whatever your drink of choice is and enjoy your night. Enjoy your date. Have fun because I promise you this, the fun and enjoyment will actually help you with better results. And then you're not going to feel like, well, I can't do this forever or I have to be restricted. That restriction is a really bad thing because we're in the process of fat release, meaning we're never going to find it again. We're going to lose it forever. So here's the little secret. On the next day, your insurance policy, your the key to keeping that from, well, maybe this happens if you ever on Christmas Day you have a bunch of carbs and sugars and the next day you want more and more and more and more. Well, you're going to get up the next morning, you're going to have your Keto nat. And for the next 2 days after your fun day, your date day, I want you to have 2. If you're a person that only has 1, I want you to have 2. If you're a person that has heavy cravings, on that next day you might even have a little extra. You might have a 2.5. And it's okay. What it's going to do is it's going to start to turn off your brain to keep wanting those carbs and sugars, and you're going to go right back into your natural fat burning optimization phase. So that is the secret. But I promise you this, if you don't ever go out and have fun, if you don't ever take a day from time to time, now it can vary. For some people it might be every couple weeks, and for some people it might be every couple months. Remember, your journey is your journey, but if you don't ever do that, you will not ultimately never get to the results that you're looking for, which means getting to the lifestyle that you want, getting to the body that you want, and learn how to live your lifestyle when you're there. Because that's really the most important thing. So having fun and allowing yourself to have breaks without guilt is extremely important. So there's a little tip for you, that great way to help maximize this product in this journey so that you can enjoy your life.